Hi guys, Mandy with Tidy Sticky Mama here, and as you can see, these girls have a wreck of a room right now, and we are going to set that straight. So this is our starting point, the wreckage of my 3 little tornadoes. It's pretty bad from all angles. Yeah, this place is trashed. I start all my cleanups with the biggest things first. It makes an immediate difference and it lets you better see the rest of the mess. Here, that's the bedding. As usual, I have a go box, so I'm not running in and out and putting things away all over the house. Now check this out. Griffin here, unprompted, folded this blanket almost KonMari. I had no idea she did that until I was editing this thing. Their room is honestly a little tricky to keep clean because there's rather a lack of storage in here. Budget and space have held us back a little there. Been on the lookout for a bunk we like, or a couple of lost, but again, budget. If you guys know any good places to look for those, let me know in the comments because I could use some help. I want to get those taller platform beds that I can put good bins under, like we have in our room, but it kind of seems like a waste when we're ultimately looking for a bunk. Every time we do this, I am just amazed by how much stuff accumulates under the beds. Yeah, that's like a whole nother room worth of cleaning. we sit down with the girls and go through the book collection again. We've got kids' books scattered all over the house in different shelves and baskets and things, and honestly, some of them have been read so much that they're just plain coming apart, and we need to let go of a few, I think. This hardly even looks like the same room anymore. It's just so much nicer in here once you get everything picked up. There's an overflowing laundry basket, but at least it doesn't look like this anymore. What room in your house do your kids constantly destroy? Let me know down in the comments, and hopefully you found this video motivating or at least validating that it's not just you. They trash this room all the time, and some days I close the door and ignore it. Seriously. Most of the time they're actually pretty helpful when it comes time to cleaning this up. I find that assigning them kind of a category to take care of helps really well, so you're not just like, clean up, help me, but tell them, pick up the books please, or put the stuffed animals in their bin, or pick up the blankets. That helps because that's something that the kids can figure out what it is and they know what to do with it generally. So there's my trick for that. But today they were a little squirrely because of the camera, and let's face it, outside playing with Dad is a lot more fun than cleaning with Mom. So they took off on me. Little weasels. Throw me a thumbs up if you found this motivating or at least validating that it's not just you whose kids wreck the place, and subscribe so you can be with me at my other adventures here. So thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you next time. We're gonna do a disaster cleanup on this room.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks. What I was gonna say, let's get some beds clean started.
What?